Lights, camera, action. Mein, I'd love to introduce you to someone I'm personally very fond of as well. I love his style, I love his vibe, I love his energy. And the last time he was on my show, I called him dude. And we actually laughed about it. But बहुत मज़ा आता है कि जब बहुत, you know, connectable और raw और authentic किस्म के guests आए. And that's the highlight of my show especially. So I'd love to introduce you to our guest on set, जिनका नाम है Hazim Bangwar. He is an Assistant Commissioner General in Karachi, and he's an artist, philanthropist, and he does a whole bunch of things. इनकी music album भी आने वाली है. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Quite an intro.
Yeah, quite an intro. And to say that I forgot to add that you're studying as well.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
How lovely. Hazim, how do you do these things? It's amazing.
I have no idea. I'm just tired.
I can imagine. I can imagine. And it's tougher because of Ramadan, maybe.
It is. Definitely.
Acha, sahi hai. So, Hazim, today we're going to be talking specifically about Eid.
Okay.
ठीक है? And अगर हम ईद की जब बात करते हैं, what is the biggest amount of Eid you've ever gotten? Let's start with that.
Oh, Eid का topic मेरे लिए hopefully इतना boring नहीं हुआ है, but mostly it's boring at my end. The biggest amount of Eid I have ever gotten, जो मैंने कभी receive नहीं की है. मैं Eid receive नहीं करता हूँ.
Oh, why?
I don't know. मैंने हमेशा I don't know, ये बचपन से आदत थी. I was like, so, कभी जो ईदी देते थे, अब like नहीं छोटे से छोटा नोट, दुआ का नोट. That's what I always say.
Wow, how lovely.
But I don't know, किसने दिमाग में डाला था from very young age.
How lovely.
So the biggest amount would be, I guess, $5 or 500 रुपये, 100 रुपये.
Wow, how nice.
दुआ वाला होता है.
And how lovely. And what was the biggest Eid you've given?
The biggest Eid I have given. Maybe the same amount. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
The biggest Eid I've given is I paid for someone's wedding.
Oh, how lovely.
Yeah.
But that's like more than an Eid.
Yeah, but that's it was Eid ka.
You set them up basically.
Yes, so, that's what I can say. Yeah.
You get. Are they happy?
Oh yeah, they're still happy.
Okay, so you didn't set them up.
Yeah.
You did
they're
actually
still happy,
set them.
hopefully.
Mashallah, mashallah. Acha. All right, so since you're so big on fashion as well, what is your take on the Farshi Shalwar that's been going viral?
What shalwar?
Farshi Shalwar.
What is that?
Oh my God, you don't even know.
No.
I like that. I actually like that.
If I've seen it,
Yeah.
like, I can
It's like a really big shalwar. It's like a big poncha and it's on the floor.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I
the
love
Garara
those.
pants.
I love those. I
Right.
think it's really good.
You like it? Would
Yeah.
you wear it?
I would.
Yeah, you would?
I would like to have my own spin on it.
Yeah.
Like I do.
And what would that be?
Oh,
Don't say it. What if someone copies it before you?
good idea. Thank you for that.
Tell me later, tell me later,
Yeah,
tell me
I
later.
will.
You tell me though. I won't copy it.
Most definitely.
Acha, which Eid tradition do you miss from your childhood? What does your childhood remind? You know, when you think about your childhood, what is the thing that highlights the most about Eid with your parents, siblings, friends?
Okay, Eid is something. जो मेरी family. I'm just gonna speak about my family.
Yeah.
We are not that heavy on Eid because we all are so independent. We travel itna. But there's one thing very consistent about in our family with Eid. Because my household is Pakistani and Arabic.
Yeah.
Eid pe we have a lot of Arabic and Pakistani dishes made at the same time.
Oh, lovely.
So we have baklava at the same time.
Yum.
We have kheer.
Yum.
So I think that's one thing from my memory that I can still recall.
The food.
The food, but it's from Arabic to Pakistani.
Ah.
The fusion of it.
There's a dish called Yom Ali. What is it called?
Yomi Ali.
Yomi Ali.
Yeah.
That is so nice as
We have,
well.
you name it, we have it. We have.
Do you cook?
I cook.
Nice.
I cook. I had to learn how to cook when I was studying,
Oh wow.
and I got into cooking.
But you can't make Yomi Ali.
No.
No.
I'm not that.
And baklava.
No, I cannot bake.
Hey, but you can make a music video.
Like,
You can make clothes.
that I can.
You can do that. अच्छा. So tell me something about ये जो music video आ रही है, इसकी खास बात क्या है?
Oh, let me see how much can I give away because right now second album. I like to मैं advance में थोड़ा काम करता हूँ.
अच्छा.
Because कभी नहीं पता होता. You get so busy with
Of
what
course.
happens.
हाँ.
So I have 2 music videos जिसकी recording back to back हो रही है.
Oh.
And एक तो studio के है अंदर and दूसरी is when I say studio I mean internal controlled setting environment.
Okay.
Another one is very outdoor in a very unpredictable environment.
Okay.
And since there are 2 music videos, one is in English and one is in Arabic.
Oh, nice.
Arabic and Urdu. I had to do
Arabic and
some-
Urdu.
Yeah. So,
Acha, so do we have overlapping languages like Arabi with English?
Arabi with Urdu.
Urdu.
Arabi with Urdu we have, yes.
Acha.
I wanted that kind of fusion.
Nice.
Yeah, and Arabi with English on this album we don't have that.
Acha, you don't.
And the other, but we have something which is very, the first song or maybe the second song, Jiski Video Ban Rahi Hai, is very close to what I do. It's basically the best of both worlds that I do. So you will see me as an assistant commissioner and as an artist, and you will see that fusion.
तो ये तो
And,
PR भी हो गई खुद ही.
sorry?
PR भी हो गया खुद ही.
Exact.
Look at you, one-stop solution.
Yep. So
I
I,
like
want you
it.
to kind of blend that thing.
Oh, lovely. I like it. I like that. I wish you all the best with that. In fact, we'll talk a little more about it in a little while as well. Acha, so you know, when you were inspired to pursue a career in civil service, what is the exact thing that was going on in your head? Did you always know that you wanted to do this?
No, I did
Right.
not. I think I had flown from, I was traveling at that time. I was on my tour for a mixtape, and I was going back and forth from Japan to London, and I had to drop by to Pakistan. And I remember from a chauffeur from business class, landing in Pakistan, coming out, and I'm like, where am I?
Yeah, I'm sure.
And that shock kind of hit me.
Yeah.
And as I was going towards home drive, and I've been to Pakistan before, but ये काफी लंबे बाद अरसे के बाद जा रहा था. And I kept complaining गाड़ी में. And I would see a million things wrong. I
Yeah.
was like, oh, इसका क्या करते हैं? इसका कोई क्यों नहीं कर रहा? And I got so tired of my complaining.
People probably got tired of it too. They're like, यार इसको assistant commissioner बनाओ please.
No, उन्होंने कहा इसको वापस भेज दो. They were sending me back. And I was like, no, I'm still young. I'm 24.
Yeah.
You know, I have a lifetime ahead of me. And music is a very political situation. Aaj ho, kal nahi ho.
Yeah.
It's not permanent.
Yeah.
I just wanted something more substantial with my life.
Of course.
And I was like, why not? And everybody said, वापस जाओ. And I was like, वहाँ मेरी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Maybe I can do some good here.
Yeah, of
And
course.
you know, if I can change one person's life, I'm
That-
good.